Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how we can fix the account sync error in the CapCut video editing tool in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, so this is how you can potentially fix it. There are several possible solutions for this. So option number one would be to check your internet connection, guys. If you're using, for example, or accessing CapCut through the web application on your device, for example, or through mobile application, make sure that your internet connection is stable, like Wi-Fi or mobile data. That's step number one. Step number two would be to check which version of CapCut you're currently using, and if necessary, to update these versions. So here in the CapCut application on my Windows computer, guys, you would need to log into your account and click into that icon in the top right corner to access your settings. And from here, simply click into version. And after that, CapCut will tell you which version you're currently using. For example, if there are any new updates, you will see it here, and also that check for updates button below. So after that, CapCut will check for the newest version, download it if there are any, and give you the opportunity to restart CapCut to update the version, and that may help fix this issue. If it hasn't, guys, there are also option number 3 and 4. So option number 3 would be to enable the auto sync feature in your CapCut account. To do that, click again into that button in the top right, navigate to settings at the top, and here switch to the draft tab. And here, guys, make sure that the auto sync feature is enabled. After that, select, for example, an output file folder, for example, or a specific space. Click into select here, or you may, for example, change it by clicking into the other option. And after that, click into save to save these changes. And last but not least, guys, you may also enable the project's synchronization. Usually it is set to or turned off here. If you would like to enable it, guys, you will see that project sync button in the top right corner and click into turn on here. Alternately, do that in your account settings really quickly. There you go, here next to synced items, enable projects, confirm by clicking into save here, and that may fix the issue, guys. Hope it did for you. Please let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.